Hi, I am Sky. Today I'm going to talk about some disappointments. Let's talk about just one disappointment for the start. Because I was in the middle of this book. You can see, like, the annotations. This much I loved this book. This was so beautiful. It's so amazing and so thrilling, I think. Because this was my first science fiction ever I read. So I was excited when I started it. And was excited when the part one of this book completed. And when I started the second part, I was so into it that I almost bought two books of this series. I put them in the cart of my Amazon and I was about to buy them and then the ending happened. Ending was literally a total display. Okay? Like, why would you give such nonsensical and so abrupt ending to a book that was so fine? Like the story and everything about this book was fine. Characters, character development of the characters, everything was fine about this book. And then the ending happened. And ending was not that much shocking because it was somewhat royal drama, political drama kind of science fiction. Okay. So it was not that much of a big deal. Because it happens, okay? In political drama and all. But like why would you add this damn dialogue between the two women who were literally so respectable, reputable characters of this damn story. Okay. When Paul Atreides said that I will marry the princess Irulan, like it's okay. Because we all think that if a book is going about like a political drama, so it will end like that, okay, without bloodbath of kingdoms and all. This is how you end this. But still, why would you add this dialogue between Chani and Paul's mother? So like, think on it, Shah. That princess will have the name yet. She will live as a husband a concubine, never to know a moment of tenderness from the man to whom she is bound. While son, we, we who carry the name of concubine, history will call us wives. Like, I am happy for both of you, but laughing on a laughing on other women's misery is not something make you great. Okay, and the ending of this book, the dialogue between Shani and the Reverend Mother thing, Jessica. This that woman was a powerful girl. Shani was a good character. Like, why would you give them this dialogue? End it that way. That Paul did what he did. Okay? Don't make women each other's enemy. And don't make them laugh at each other's misery. Like, I was happy throughout the book. It was a fine thing. Because something that is first to you is really very special to you. Okay, and this book is special for me. It was special for me through the process when I was reading it. Okay, and like, why would you give such ending to a book that was so admirable and so I don't know. I was so disappointed by the dialogue by Jessica, by the Reverend Mother. Like, why would you do something like that? Why would you say something like that? So, it was disappointing. But the whole book was amazing. I will talk about the good parts I like about this book in the next video. I don't want to talk about the good parts right now. I think it's not a good idea to talk about the disappointing part of a book first and then the good parts. But I think that talking about the disappointing parts first and then the good parts after that, after disappointments, the good part comes because it's so there. It soothes your heart. So you can just let go the disappointment you get got from the. By the way, I forgot to say it in the video. I will add this in the video at last. Like, I got my first subscriber and I'm so happy about it.